Wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all, still have so much I wanna.
Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to another spring clean with me. Today I'm just going to be going over all the neglected spots in my bathroom that don't regularly get cleaned. I have a lot of spots that need to get hit up that have just been really neglected over the last year because they're not spaces that I clean regularly, and I'm just going to tie that into my regular bathroom cleaning routine that I do and just disinfect and sanitize everything.
I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve a second chance. I know that I'm way too late, cause I messed it up, and there you go. Oh, 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 oh. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, oh, 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 so close, closer than it felt before. Forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with
A quick tip of another thing that often gets overlooked in this area is to go ahead and change out your bathroom shower curtain. I like to use a throwaway shower curtain basically, so every month we put a new one up. I get them for like $1.50, and that's all we have here. Our bathroom isn't decorated, so we don't have a decorative one, but this would be a good time to like wash your decorative curtain or wash down your shower curtain, or go ahead and get a new disposable one. This has got to be the most neglected spot in the entire bathroom, is this right here. I have only cleaned these probably once a year since living here, and we've been here 5 years. But I've never actually taken them down completely. I've only wiped them, so this is my first time actually taking them down, and they were just horribly neglected and disgusting. So this was super easy to do. Also, I don't know why I was scared to take them down, but if you have something like this, just go ahead and take them down and save yourself the hassle. Just go ahead and get them clean. Like, it's such a great transformation.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about
So next up on the disgusting task that has been neglected is going to go ahead and be this shower vent. I do not have a vacuum that has an attachment with like the bristle brush head, so I don't regularly clean this. The one I have was like a rubber pet hair remover. So if you have one of those, it's a lot easier to keep up with. However, if you don't, just go ahead and pull it down and just shower it off and clean it. And I had a heck of a time getting it to stick back up there, so I'm just going to leave that for my husband. But it's clean. So I seen this toilet bowl cleaner hack on Pinterest that you just take this and put it in the grout of your floor. You let it sit for 10 minutes to an hour and it's supposed to brighten it up. Now our tile grout isn't very white, but it definitely cleaned it. However, I do recommend using the Clorox one, although here I just had Lysol on hand, so I tried it, but it definitely did clean it up.
Got no regrets, can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Also, just to let you guys know, last week I did set up my Amazon storefront at Mom Likely, so if you're curious about any of the cleaning supplies or products that I use, you can go in my description box down below, and in there I have them all grouped together for you guys to browse and get more info on.
You digging deep within me, I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped.
And the last thing I'm going to go ahead and do in here is just clean up and get all the trash out of my medicine cabinet here. This is something that stays predominantly pretty clean due to these Dollar Tree like sorting and organizing bins that I put in here last year. However, it does need to be wiped out. And these kind of bins you can still find there. It's part of their like core organization. So if you're looking for these, just head to your local Dollar Tree.
Got me sleep deprived.
Okay, so that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and got some good ideas to write down to put on your checklist for what to clean. So if you enjoyed this video and you like seeing more cleaning videos and mommy content, then please give this video a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.